A great neck massage can be a very effective way to reduce pain and headaches. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to massage the neck to bring some much needed relief. So let's get started. Massage therapy is a proven way to correct many types of neck pain and headaches, and is often one of the first treatments people think of when they experience this kind of pain. In fact, neck pain is listed as one of the main reasons that people get a massage to begin with. Headaches, on the other hand, can be a symptom of many different things, from dehydration to hormone imbalances, and from muscle tension to more serious neurological conditions. Massage can be a great source of relief for stress and tension headaches. In fact, several studies have revealed that massage therapy had a significant effect on the pain intensity of their headaches, reducing them by up to 71%. The most common areas that cause headaches are tension in the jaw, temples, neck, or shoulders. In this video, I'm going to focus on releasing the neck while the client is in this supine or face-up position. Now, so far in this demonstration, I focused on releasing muscle groups called the Suboccipitals and the erector spinae group attachments using this C curve with my fingertips. I can also go in with the thumb here. The hand underneath the head on the other side that's supporting really is important. As you can see me rocking the head back and forth, that's how I apply pressure from light to more firm pressure, and I roll the head into the thumb or the C-curve fingertips. Transitioning now to the anterior neck, you must always use caution and be careful when working this area with all the nerves and blood vessels here. But this is a spreading technique using a broad hand or full finger technique. You can notice that that supporting hand is still underneath the head, controlling its rotation so that I can now use it as I work the attachments of the scalene muscles underneath the clavicle there onto the upper ribs. So nice spreading techniques. Fingertips don't really go beyond the SCM in that position. Now this is a broad hand, really spreading out the upper traps. So much tension can be held there, and again focusing back on the occipital ridge here and the attachments in this area with a C curve of the fingertips around the occipital ridge. And now I'm working on the erector spinae group and just simply using my thumb here, starting at the base of the neck and then stripping all the way up to the occipital ridge. Again, the pressure that's applied is really controlled by the supporting hand underneath as I roll the head back and forth onto the working thumb. Now you can use a fist to also do some nice slow spreading of the upper trap muscle, maintaining a nice straight angle of your wrist as you do this. And now this is a nice myofascial spreading technique, a nice stretch here, but also just slowly spreading the neck muscles here. So many muscles are in this area and affected, so I love to do some broad myofascial work, really focusing on the connective tissue, but then the individual muscles as well underneath. Now transitioning to the other side, going back to the anterior work. This is a slightly different vantage point or view. And so you can see how the fingertips stay posterior or right on top of the SCM as they transition over the anterior neck. And then I can use my fingers to look for the scalene attachments underneath the clavicle. And I'm rotating the head Adding a pin and stretch technique here for those tendons and muscle attachments. So you find the muscles with your fingertips and then rotate the head away. And you can feel those attachments popping underneath your fingertips. Back to the occipital ridge, C curve here around the ridge itself. And then that circular motion of the head is all being done by the supporting hand underneath. Here's the spreading of the upward trap with a closed fist, a soft fist, maintaining the angle of your wrist in a proper position and transitioning now to more of a palm version. So a nice, soft, full palm. And again here, this is the stretch and myofascial release of the upper traps. It's a nice way to open up that side while the neck is in a slightly rotated and stretched position. Just nice slow work. Again, focusing on lengthening and stretching. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found that content valuable, please consider subscribing. As always, any questions you have, leave those in the comments down below. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you next time.